Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kitanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana tingogara wakasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya yabuditswa nyaya ya Neville Mutsvangwa mwana we ZANU-PF power couple Christopher and Monica Mutsvangwa uyo arikunzi is spending the whole weekend behind the bars. Mushure mekunge bail hearing yake yakapushwa to next week muri Zimbabwe. Mutsvangwa nevamwe vake vari kupiwa mhosva anavo anosanganisira Alice Mujachani naSimbarashe Tichingana vari kufesa macharges money laundering pamwe chete nekudealer in foreign currency muri Zimbabwe. The full charges against the three yakarevealwa pavaka appear before the Honai magistrate Dennis Mungosi muri Zimbabwe. Vari kunzi count 1 yavo yanga iri yekudealer in foreign currency, count 2 yanga iri unlawful trading in cash, then count 3 yanga iri money laundering muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi vakaopozerwa kusubmitwa bail vachinzi the suspect were facing very serious offenses muri Zimbabwe. Zvakanzi money laundering is a very serious offense, as the law provides kuti kana munhu anofanira kubhadhara a fine inoexceeda 500,000 zig or amount equivalent to the property yanga iri involved muri Zimbabwe. Obva zvakare obva asungwa for makore anokwanisa 25 years muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. So chanakira kabuda shara, the accused a flight risk. Mutsvangwa has already demonstrated a propensity to flee, and this warrants his incarceration pending trial. When a team of detectives visited his place of residence in Mount Pleasant to arrest him, they were initially denied entry. They had to seek the assistance of Zvataurwa Maubra and were again denied entry in his premises. The police officers had to apply minimum force and gain entry into the premises by cutting the electric fence and scaling the gate. The officers conducted searches but could not find him. They continued searching the whole yard only to find Mutsvangwa hiding in between the security wall and some sacks stashed with waste material. There is no justification why he was hiding. There is no justification why he was not cooperating with the police. That is indicative of his unwillingness to stand trial. It is sufficient indication that if given a chance, the accused will flee the jurisdiction of this court to avoid trial. Tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi Mutsvangwa aitsatoda kuti polisi ipinde mumba make zvikanzi akatowanikwa akawanda, so chinzi pane machances ekuti akapiwa bail anokwanisa kutiza muri Zimbabwe. Pakawedzera zvakare zvichinzi ma-colleagues aMutsvangwa vanosanganisira Mujachani naTichangana ndavadeserve bail muri Zimbabwe. Vataura ivo vachiti they misrepresented to the police kuti zvichinzi Tichangana ndakanyepera police kuti anga ari neighbor, yet vaitoshanda vese naMujachani naMutsvangwa kuestablish a company inonzi Mumba Money Transfer muri Zimbabwe. So we submit that the accused have connections and interests outside Zimbabwe, as evidenced by foreign bank accounts that they hold. An Estonian identity card was discovered from Mutsvangwa, so the state believes that if granted bail, the accused will evade this court jurisdiction. So pane statement yabudiswa the National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe yabuda ichibuditsa kuti zvii zvakabatwa zvinana Neville Mutsvangwa, since these guys vanga vakutoperate a company vasina ma-licenses muri Zimbabwe. The state is alleging that during the period extending from the 1st of January 2019 to the 8th of May 2024. The accused person formed Mumba Money Transfer Services without a license in violation of the Bank Use Promotion and Suppression of Money Laundering Act and Exchange Control Act. They advertised on the internet, directing clients to their offices in Harare. The accused persons employed a combination of electronic funds transfer and physical cash for their unlawful transactions, leveraging foreign bank accounts to obfuscate their activities. The accused persons were arrested by the police on the 8th of May 2024. The police recovered 4 smartphones, 45 SIM cards, 4 computers, 1 point-of-sale machine, 28 debit cards, including 15 Visa cards issued by foreign banks, 3 money counters, and a register of transactions, and 3,890 USD cash. The state opposed bail and called the investigation officer to give viva voce evidence. The court adjourned mid-testimony. Bail hearing is set to continue on Monday, the 13th of May 2024 at 8:30. Ndo statement rakabudidzwa reZimbabwe the National Prosecuting Authority NEZOX yakabuda ichikomenta on this issue mureZimbabwe. These guys vakabatwa mushure mekunge Apihwa Mutongo abuda achitaura iye achiri they were going to make sure kuti money changers asungwa, yet aiziya kuti mwana wake aidila in business irori mureZimbabwe. Yakabuda NEWSOX chitaura ichiti Neville Mutsvangwa, son of vocal ZANU-PF spokesperson Apihwa Mutongo and Women Affairs Minister Monica Mutsvangwa, who spent the weekend in detention after the Harare Magistrate Court remanded him in prison. Neville was accused of illegal foreign currency deals. He was found in possession of cash, 28 bank cards, and money counting machines. Mutsvangwa's son and 2 others, Elas Mujachani and Simbarashi Tichingana, appeared in court today facing charges of violating a section of the Exchange Control Act in connection with illegal foreign currency deals. The state is alleging that from 1 January 2019 to 8 May 2028, Neville and his accomplices set up Mumba Money Transfer without a license in violation of the Bank Use Promotion and Suppression of Money Laundering Act. They are facing charges under 3 separate laws: Exchange Control Act, Bank Use Promotion and Suppression of Money Laundering Act, and Money Laundering and Proceeds of Crime Act. Ironically, Chris Mutsvangwa recently warned money changers against arrest. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga also warned that government would deal with money traders who undermine the new currency ZiG through arbitrage-loaded deals. Police have launched a sweeping crackdown on currency dealers as part of government's measures to defend ZiG. Ezvakabudidzwa neNEWSOX mureZimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti pachapabuda here Neville Mutsvangwa kana kuti tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.